Embark on a transformative journey toward weight loss as we delve into the powerful trio of celery, lemon, and cinnamon. This comprehensive guide on my YouTube channel breaks down the individual benefits of each ingredient and unveils their collective impact on shedding those extra pounds. Caution: before we dive in, for the best solution and safety on your weight loss journey, opt for Ceylon cinnamon. Unlike its counterpart, Cassia cinnamon, Ceylon is lower in coumarin, making it a safer choice for regular consumption. Celery juice. A detox dynamo. Celery juice has taken the health world by storm, and rightfully so. Renowned as a natural detoxifier, it supports the liver's efforts to flush out toxins. Its high water content keeps you hydrated, an essential factor in any weight loss journey. Lemon, vitamin C and citrus magic, adding a burst of citrus to our mix. Lemon brings more than just flavor. Rich in vitamin C, it's a powerful antioxidant supporting the immune system. Its acidity aids digestion, enhancing nutrient absorption and maximizing the benefits of our trio. Cinnamon, the metabolism booster. Let's talk about the spice that's about to spice up your weight loss journey. Cinnamon. Beyond adding depth to the mix, it boasts metabolism boosting properties. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and promoting fat burning. How does this trio aid weight loss? 1. Thermogenic effects. Celery, lemon, and cinnamon are known for their thermogenic properties, slightly increasing your body's temperature. This boosts metabolism, encouraging calorie burn. 2. Blood sugar regulation. Cinnamon's ability to regulate blood sugar contributes to stable energy levels, reducing the likelihood of overeating. 3. Detoxification support. A detox body operates more efficiently. Celery juice aids in liver detox, while lemon's antioxidants neutralize free radicals, promoting cellular health. 4. Hydration for weight loss. Proper hydration is key for weight loss, and celery juice supports this with its high water content. 5. Appetite control. Cinnamon's appetite suppressant effects, combined with celery's hydrating and fiber-rich properties, can help you feel fuller for longer. Consistency is key to experience the full benefits. Incorporate this trio consistently into your routine for at least 30 days. Balanced diet. While this trio supports weight loss, maintaining a balanced diet with whole foods and regular exercise is crucial for optimal results. Optimal dosage and timing for maximum benefits. To harness the full potential of the celery juice, lemon, and cinnamon trio, nail down the right dosage and timing. Celery juice. Morning and evening. Empty stomach. Start your day with 16 ounces of fresh celery juice on an empty stomach. This practice allows efficient nutrient absorption, jump-starting your metabolism for the day. An evening dose capitalizes on the body's natural cleansing mechanisms during the night. Optimal dosage and timing for cinnamon and lemon infusion. Align the intake of cinnamon and lemon with warm water for the perfect fusion of flavor and health benefits. Morning after meals. After your morning meal, indulge in a warm water infusion with cinnamon and lemon. This dynamic duo acts as a digestive aid, promoting optimal digestion after breakfast. Night before bed. Cap off your day with warm water infused with cinnamon and lemon before bedtime. This bedtime elixir supports digestion as you wind down, creating a perfect ritual for a restful night. Incorporate this routine to elevate the taste of your water and reap the combined benefits of cinnamon's metabolism boost and lemon's digestive support. Contact us for FDA-approved Ceylon cinnamon as you embark on this exciting journey toward a healthier you. Remember that individual responses may vary. For those interested in incorporating the safest choice of cinnamon into their routine, we proudly offer FDA-approved Ceylon cinnamon. Feel free to reach out to us for more information, inquiries, or to explore the benefits of this exceptional cinnamon variety. Your health and well-being are our top priorities. And there you have it, the powerful trio of celery juice, lemon, and cinnamon that could be your key to burning belly fat and achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, individual responses may vary, so it's essential to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. If you decide to try this, share your journey in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and here's to your health and happiness.